The Study Abroad Financial Aid Estimator provides students with an estimate of the total financial aid they may be eligible for during their study abroad program and is subject to change. You must have a current FAFSA or CADA, the California Dream Act application, on file for the estimator to provide the most current financial aid information. Your first step is to navigate to the Study Abroad Estimator and log in by entering your UC Davis student ID number. Once you have confirmed that your name and student ID number are correct, you may continue. Your next step is to determine if the program for which you are applying is a quarter abroad or UCEAP program. It is very important to select the correct one. Once you have done so, you may type in the program name. If you are enrolling in a UCEAP program, this is what your budget should look like. You will need to use the information in this budget to get an accurate estimate of financial aid. To enter the program tuition and fees into the estimator, you will need to refer back to your UCEAP budget and add up the first three fee amounts: UC tuition, UCEAP fees, and campus fees. For estimated personal expenses, add up the remaining fees in your budget: pre-departure expenses, incidentals, books and transportation, housing and meals, and airfare. If you are enrolling in a quarter abroad program, you need to refer to the estimated total cost on your program page. When inputting your tuition and fees, always use the highest amount in your budget for total fees. For the last section, select the terms for which you plan to be abroad. Once you have accepted the conditions of this estimate, you will be able to see your estimated aid. Please note that this is an estimate only and is based on currently available information. Your actual financial aid package may vary from these results. You will now be able to print this document and keep it for your records. We wish you all the best in your academic success and international adventures.